Okay, Filipino. Ano yung lot? Okay.
Good. Somebody need a paper? Let me know inside. Paper. Let me just go down.
I do not have paper.
Oh, sorry. I give you.
So we'll go down.
I'm charging $5.
Okay.
That's a discount. Yeah, I give you a group discount, $6. There is in Venice Beach in America. There is some guys doing a show. In the end of the show, they're making jokes. They say, okay, they say black people $2, Asian people $3, white people $5, Jewish people $10. That's how much they want to get. Sorry. Okay. Now, very important again, yarmulke. We have to put yarmulkes. Okay.
Oh.
Respect God. That's why we put in camel.
No, we don't want to show you how to fold the paper.
It's good.
You couldn't leave the house without them.
Happy.
The women going to go to the right.
Kilala niya Pilipino eh. Sabi ng mga lalaki yung kayo ng hubyo. Pilipino.
Viva Filipino.
Nasabi nila. Western Wall. This is the Western Wall. Welcome to the Western Wall.